how to use Zoho Campaigns easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use Zoho Campaigns to create email marketing campaigns and much more. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can go to zoho.com/campaigns and you will land right here. Zoho is an amazing company with a lot of different softwares that we get, and Zoho Campaign is actually one of the platforms, one of the software that stand out. With Zoho Campaign, we will be able to create responsive designs, customize messages, deliver emails to inboxes, trigger automate workflows, and connect with our new customers. So let's get started. First of all, once you get to the zoho.com/campaigns, you will actually need to create your account. So in order to create your account on Zoho, you will have to enter your name, your email address, and set up a password. You will also require to enter your phone number. Then you're going to click on I agree to terms and services and click on sign up. If you already have an account, then you can just simply sign in. So here we are inside our Zoho campaigns. You can see this is our main dashboard. I have logged in as well. It's really easy to create campaigns with Zoho and design emails. You can see at this side of the screen, we have a panel for dashboard, campaigns, contacts, automation, e-commerce, library, and reports. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to enter some context so that we can send them email or create an email list so that we can create campaigns. So I'm going to go ahead and go to all contacts. Here we have manage list, segments, manage topics, sign up forms, and more. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on manage list. So in our Zoho campaigns, we can enter and create a list, or we can create contacts. Click on create list right here, and then you just have to enter a list name. So I will be creating a new list for, let's say, my customers. So let's just enter customers here. Click on save and new list will be created. Now we can add a contact manually. We can import contacts or add a sign up form as well. Like we can create a sign up form. Whenever someone signs up with this form, they will be added to my list. So we can use these options. For now, I'm going to quickly go ahead and add a contact manually. So click on add new, and then you just have to enter their email address. Then you have to enter their phone number. Then you can enter their title, first name, last name, and then you can enter their job title, again, company name, phone. There are some additional details as well, social info that we can add. We can add custom info, account info. We can then add our contact source as well, from where you got the contacts. So I got it from networking. Then we have subscription type, if it's a marketing or if it's a customer, if it's unsubscribed. So I'm going to go for unsubscribed for now. And then I'm going to click on add. Once you click on add, your new contact is created, and this way you can create as many contacts as you like. But the more efficient way is actually importing a contact list, and you can import a CSV file really easily. So once you have created a contact, now we're going to go to the campaigns right here, and I'm going to click on email campaign. There are three types of campaigns we can create with Zoho. We have email campaigns, social campaigns, and SMS campaign. So let's create email campaign. Click right here on campaigns, then you're going to click on create. Then we have to select our campaign type: regular email, A/B split testing, RSS, Zoho meeting, go to a webinar, Eventbrite, SurveyMonkey, Zoho surveys. So now these are some of the integrations that are available, and some of the Zoho integrations, such as the Zoho Backstage or e-commerce or Zoho Forms. So I'm going to go for a regular email. Click on create new. Give your campaign a name. So this is going to be a welcome email for my customers. So I'm going to go for welcome, topic, name, brand topic, or marketing. So this is for the marketing purposes. Click on save and proceed. Okay, this is where I will be entering my subject. So in subject, I am going for welcome new customers. All right. And then we have a pre-header that is followed by our subject. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter again, welcome to our customers. Click on save. Moving on, we have a sender detail. So I'm going to click on add sender, and you're going to enter your name here. Now it depends on who is sending the mail. For me, it's me, because I am running this business. So I'm going to directly enter my name. And then we have our email address here. This can be the email address that you signed up with, or you can enter any other email as well. Click on save. Moving on, we have add recipients. So now this is where we will be fetching detail from our contacts right here. We have list and segments. I'm going to go for list, and it will show me the list that we have. So I'm going to go for my two lists that we have here. We also get a sample list with Zoho. So I'm going to click on save, and my list will be added right here. And now we have to enter our content. Click on create content and it will take you to the editor. We have some of the templates available, pre-designed templates and basic templates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select right here pre-designed templates and check out some of the templates available. So the templates are available for welcome, deals and offers, holidays, newsletters, surveys, webinars, thank you. So as we know, I am creating an email for welcome. So we have a pretty good and impressive templates available for welcome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the one that I think matches with our brand. So let's go with this one right here. So I'm going to click on select template. So we are inside our Zoho editor, and you can see this is our template. First of all, you can see at this side of the screen we have text, images, text plus images, buttons, columns, social, video, attachments, polls, tables that we can add to our email. We have a pre-designed logo here. This is not the logo that I have for my brand. So we can either change it, or we can edit it, or we can delete it completely. Once you click on any of these sections, it allows you to edit it. So I'm going to click on the image right here, and we can upload image from our computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that. So once the image is uploaded, so you can of course use this image in your section right here. So this is what it will look like. And I'm going to click on done now. Then this is what it says, thank you for your subscription. So I'm not going to say that. I'm going to change it to welcome. So I have added this right here, welcome new customers, and let's actually make it centered aligned. So I'm just going to move it a little bit. There you go. Now we have an image here. We can of course again change the image, and then we have our body text. Hi, this is where you will enter your customer name or your guest name, and then you will customize the text here. If you want to add something more to your template that you have, what you're gonna do is it's a simple you just simply select from here. Let's say I want to add an image, so you can click on the image section, and then you will drag and drop. So drop it here, and the image section will be added. Once you add it, click on done. Similarly, we have text, so you're going to click on the text and then select what kind of text you want. Let's say I want a body text, so you're going to drag and drop it right here. This is pretty impressive that even once we select an element, we have three choices and more than three choices given to select this style. Mostly it's the three choices that we can go for. For example, I want to add a button, then we have three types of button that I can add. Similarly, we have dividers. Click on dividers, and then again four types of dividers to choose from. If it is a video, then we have a video layout available that I can drag and drop to my Zoho mail. So that's how easy it is to edit a mail using Zoho Campaigns. So you will edit everything. How to add link to a button. Click right here on the button, and you can see it says link to the URL. So you can enter the link right here. It's just going to be like a simple copy and paste, and you will add it here. We can even customize the designs. We can change the color of the buttons. We can change the color of the text. We can change the color of different images. We can change the background color. So this is how you will be customizing your mail with Zoho. Once it's done, you can click on preview and test, or you can proceed to actually send this email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on preview and save, and this content will be saved right here, and this is what it looks like. This is my email. Of course, I kind of like went with the flow, and I just created for you guys, just for the purpose of the video, I added different elements. Then you can even send a test email. If it's your first email, then you will enter your name right here, select your email right here, email addresses, click on send test, and you will be able to do so. Or you can proceed to actually schedule and send your campaigns with Zoho Mail. This way you can create professional email marketing campaigns for your business, grow your business, and get more professional and creative. We can also create different automations with Zoho. We have e-commerce and even reports. With reports, I will be getting the reports from even Google Analytics. We have our sent campaigns, list-based reports, SMS campaign-based reports, and campaign-based reports available. So you can go ahead and check them out. You can create lists from the contact section and get back to your dashboard to create new campaigns every day. This way, you will be able to use Zoho campaigns easily to create a professional business. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.